we moved into our new home, we wanted a space that was not just beautiful, but also practical for our family. We have 2 young children, so safety and functionality were top priority for us.
We choose a neutral color theme that matches the vinyl flooring by HDB, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere for our families.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome to our home at Tampines.
We really like the curvature design as it flows seamlessly from the foyer area to the living area. The curvature design of the cabinet was a must for us. It not only adds a unique touch but ensures there are no sharp corners, making it safe for the kids. The dining table is perfect for family meals, and the seamless flow of the space make it easier to move around. We love the open layout of the dining and kitchen areas. It makes family gathering and mealtime so much more enjoyable. The practical aspect of the design are really important to us. Every cabinet and storage solution is tailored to our needs, making daily life so much easier.
We spend a lot of time here, cooking and eating together. The kitchen design makes it easy to keep everything organized.
This home is a perfect blend of aesthetically and functionality. It's not just a visual delight, but a space that works for our busy life and our children's needs. We came to know the phenomenon through our best friends. Their positive experiences convinced us to engage them. Kev and Sueling were amazing to work with. They were communicative, responsive, and their expertise really showed in the final product.
They give us a detailed timetable for renovation. It helps us to plan everything without stress. Their attention to details and creativity also exceeded our expectation.
We are thrilled with the final outcome. It is everything we envisioned and more. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our home. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we do.